Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Anya who lived in a small village. She was a kind and curious girl, and she loved to explore the forest near her home. One day, Anya was exploring the forest when she came across a magic wishing well. The well was old and overgrown, and it was surrounded by strange and beautiful flowers. Anya had never seen anything like it before. Anya approached the well and peered down into its depths. She could see a shimmering light at the bottom, but she couldn't see anything else. "Make a wish," a voice whispered. Anya was startled. She looked around, but she couldn't see anyone. "Who said that?" she asked. "Make a wish," the voice repeated. Anya thought for a moment. She had always dreamed of traveling the world and seeing all the amazing things it had to offer. "I wish to travel the world," she said. As soon as she spoke, Anya felt a strange tingling sensation. She looked down at her hands and saw that they were glowing. The glow spread to her arms, her legs, and her entire body. Anya closed her eyes and opened them again. She was standing in a different place. She was surrounded by palm trees and a beautiful blue ocean. She was in a tropical paradise. Anya couldn't believe her eyes. Her wish had come true. Over the next few months, Anya traveled all over the world. She saw the Great Wall of China, the pyramids of Egypt, and the Taj Mahal. She visited rainforests, deserts, and mountains. She met people from all over the world and learned about their cultures. Anya had the adventure of a lifetime. She was so grateful for the magic wishing well and the wish it had granted her. One day, Anya decided it was time to return home. She made one last wish on the well, wishing to be back in her own village, safe and sound. When she opened her eyes, Anya was standing in the forest near her home. She smiled. She was home. Anya never forgot her adventure. She often visited the magic wishing well, but she never made another wish. She knew that she was already fortunate to have experienced so much. Anya lived a long and happy life. She traveled all over the world and met many amazing people. She was always grateful for the magic wishing well and the wish it had granted her.